Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a short grain hopper train heading to Oil City. I don't know if we'll get them in time or not. Let's check it out. I don't know if we're going to get the engine in time. Yep, just in time. We just got here after we went one live to kick off the Train Expert channel. Shouldn't be a long one anyway. 1, 2, 4, 6 one-engine grain hopper train heading to Oil City. That's a short one today. Symbol on this train is OC&T Alco 75. That train originates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, heads south to Oil City, Pennsylvania, with one service industry to interchange freight to the Western New York is where they're heading right now. All on this Thursday, June 29th, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. It's only Tom and Chris here today because Jack's off today, so. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train heading back if we get one. Talk to you later.